Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write email address from bots on your website using Cloudflare. So we are in domain section in Cloudflare. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see domain. So you can open your domain. So click on it. So we are in domain overview. And then you see multiple options. Now you see security, so click on it. And then in security you see settings, so again click on it. Now you see again multiple options. And then you see client side abuse, so click on it. And then you see email address, display obfuscated email address on your website to prevent harvesting by bots and spammers without visible changes to the address for human visitor. So we enable this option. So you can enable this option. So we are going to protect our website domain from spam bots. Now you see create configure rule. If you want you can create it. So click on it. So we are in configuration rule. If you want you can create rule according to requirement. You can add rule name, custom filter expression, all incoming requests. Now you see then the settings are automatic HTTPS rewrite. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then click on deploy. Now go to back. Just enable this option to protect your email address from spam bot. So we apply the same setting on our another website. So we are going to open it and then you can check. So this is our domain. Now here you see email protected. I am not bot, that's why email show. Again open it. Now you see email protected here. So just enable this option and your email hide from spam bots. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.